I wanted to come on and tell you about the sale, flash sale until Friday. So you've got between now and Friday to look at the rebounders, the bungee rebounders in particular from ReboundFitness. I was on their website here, just happened to go on it, and they have a flash sale on the bungee rebounders. Now, they possibly have it in the steel ones as well. I wasn't on that part of the website because I tend to recommend, hope you can hear me okay here, I tend to recommend these bungee rebounders for women like myself who are over 50, heading to 60, over 60, 70 and above. I have women 75, 80, into their 80s on rebounders, rebounding for their wellness, which is a specific way of rebounding where you are not really doing a lot to get a lot. You can do loads, but you don't need to. Let me get up here and show you. I'm in my bare feet. I don't normally go on my bare feet, and I know you can't see my head. But look, if you have a bar on your rebounder, I have this one out deliberately. You can hold the bar if you want. If you're unsteady, I don't tend to leave the bar there in the background. But look, I'm just doing a basic walking motion. I am not lifting my feet off the rebounder. But what is happening is gravity force is working with acceleration and deceleration to give you this bound back. So you're weightless, no weight, weight, no weight. And it is getting your whole lymphatic system to move. It's working every cell in your body enough. Now my programs bring you up, I'm going to come off, starting at very little time, 1 minute. You can do 1 minute, and building you up very slowly, very gradually. If you have a bladder issue, it will help with that. Slowly and gradually. Follow the programs to the letter of the law. You'll get them over on my website. Link will probably be in this post. But on the website today, and the sale is only for 2 days, guys, you have got the new, this is it, the Just Bounce. Now, this is quarter folding. I'm not sure how that will work because some of the straps aren't on it. It's thinner straps than the other two bungee rebounders from ReboundFitness, and I have videos about all of those comparisons coming to you soon. But because this sale is on, I'm jumping forward to tell you about it in case you want to get it. So this rebounder normally retails 32 strap one. They've got, it's a bigger rebounder than the other two as well. You do have to screw on the legs, again, all in other videos. But this rebounder is currently in sale for the 32 straps at $199. $199, guys, sterling. $199 sterling. The Fitbounce Pro, that's the half folding rebounder. That's the one I like the best. That's my one. I've had it for 8 years. It's on sale for $287. Normally that's over $350. So $287, very good. This is without bars. And then the Maximus Pro does not fold in half at all. It needs a bit of space, and it is dearer to post. It's on sale. It's $288 sterling. These are all sterling prices, okay? Now, they also have these available on Amazon.ie, and if you're on Prime, you'll get free postage, so it might weigh itself up, sale price versus that. Check it out. But if it's cheaper on Amazon to what it is with their sale price, they'll honor the cheaper price no matter where you buy it. And even if it's on Amazon, you buy it, you know, the comments for delivery, let them know that it was through me, Nuala O'Connor, that you came to know about the rebounders, because I like them to know that I'm pushing their rebounders because I like the rebounders, but it allows me then to talk to them more about issues or anything that you give me any feedback. So it puts me up there as a player with them. So they have, and try my discount code on their website, Nuala, just Nuala, Nuala, in the discount box. It might get you no more discount off the rebounder, but it might get you a free pair of socks. Might get you nothing, but again, they know where you've come through. It get me nothing either, but at least they know where you've come through, okay? You can check it out. Their link will be in this post. I'll put all the details in the post. Rebounding is 68% more effective than jogging or running. This particular rebounder, or most good bungee rebounders, will absorb most of the impact. A bungee rebounder, a good one, will absorb at least 90% of the impact that your joints normally get. I never have any joint feedback when I'm on a rebounder. The rebounder works every cell in your body. The rebounder just does so much for you, and you have to do very little on it. Max 20 minutes is the same as an hour out and about. And it's cardiovascular. It works everything. You want to get your arms in, you get your arms in, but do not get on a rebounder and jump, especially if you have an issue with bladder control. Do not do that. Do not get on the rebounder and jump, because you'll have an accident and then you not want to get on it again. Don't do it. Start slow, build up gradually. Listen, slow and steady wins the race. We've got to get out of this idea that we get quick fixes, quick and fast, and we want it to change tomorrow. No. Your body didn't get the way it is fast overnight. It did build up gradually. Exercise is something we need to be doing every day for our wellness, not for our fitness. You just need to do enough for your wellness. And trust me, rebounding for your wellness is plenty. Check it all out, the blurb with this post. Please like, follow, subscribe, all of those things, and get rebounding for your wellness. And go check out this one especially. This is a new entry level one that they have. There are things you have to do, but it is cheaper. Thank you. Bye.